Na tuyambia mauvo maitu ni kana. Silikali yu yiweta ndina undu itonya kwika kwao yu na nthini wa myai na yukite kwitaana enenthi na mathooa me yiulu ma Mauta ala mongelekile utukuni wa kuamukia umunthi. Minisita muveani wa Mauta na mwaki Davis Chirchir aumilite mbee wa nzama ya mbunge ya mwaki niwaweta kana ngwatanio ya nthi ile ithooa cia Mauta niolete useuvyo wa Mauta ma kila muthenya na kigikatuma thooa wamo ukunika muno nthi yonthe. Benjamin Mwaka ena ripoti.
Davis Chirchir Minister muveani wa mwaki lato na Mauta nokwe umunthi siaiwe ni enenthi ingi kwa vakuvi kwi wakiocho kumana na kuongeleka kwa mbei wa Mauta kwambia utukuni wa kuamukia umunthi. Ati wavikite mbee wa nzama ya mbunge ya sekta ya Chirchir nuwatangasa sanzo kana Silikali vina wekwa na tiyo yuwe woka ni nthini wa myai 3 yukite viyu wa Mauta wekwa tuwa Kwambatya kumanwa na itumi ila Silikali itesa kusiea.
We're dealing with sovereign governments as suppliers of these products, and we are likely to even be going to harder times because of these are Platts prices from OPEC, and there's nothing much we can do about. There's been some 3.6 million barrels cut on daily basis, about 4%, 3.6 to 4%, and it's just unfortunate that we don't have our own product as a country.
Dino mathooa a imbia na matangazo ni muvea wa kulunga viyu wa epra petro Kwambatya na silingi 16, diesel nayo yambata na silingi 21, namo Mauta mata ambata na silingi 33 na kutia vei wa petro ho yuwe silingi 411, diesel nayo yoka silingi 4, namo Mauta mata kwa ivindambe mambata mbe wa vei wa diesel kwa silingi 4 na silingi ile kwa lita. Thooa ula kuendeea na malembeta na mataoni kwa thukanyo wiki vathukanyo. Muvea wa mwaki na lato weta thooa umwe uhumanitwe na Kwambatya kwa yiuta iteithie na ila yuma nthi cia nzama.
And we have to talk together on how we are going to secure economy in the challenge that we face today, compounded challenges of Russia-Ukraine, compounded challenge of the OPEC politics of the major producers reducing the barrels, 3.6 barrels per day, possibly to increase the prices, the challenge of winter coming in, and the fact that we have withdrawn the subsidy, which is what could have cushioned the Kenyans.
Kauta mivitu Silikali ni atangasia muvango wa kuambisia biasala wa Mauta kweslawiwa no wanthi imwe kuthi ingi ile kwitwa government to government kana G2G. Muvango le nenthi manekwatasia nuithwa uisia matunda kwa kuthesia thooa na ingi kusia mwa wa Mauta va Kenya. Mivango imbia Silikali iya oyune ya kusia wanganganya kwislanzia sia mauvucho yani subsidies tailasi atumikie hivi ndani ya President Uhuru Kenyatta nthini wa Silikali mbetu.
16 shillings jump per liter. That is so humongous. What you've done without knowing or knowingly, you've laid off so many people. So many people will lose jobs.
We are talked as a government that we were not going to go back to subsidy. Is it occurring to you that maybe we now should think about subsidizing, because we cannot always leave this particular case of high prices to the local mwananchi, to the local mama mboga?
You know, sometimes because you seem to have this information early, it's always good to prepare Kenyans. The thing of like now, just midnight without even psychological preparation. Sometimes people understand when there is they understand that we are moving to some difficult times of some form, but then you wake up without everything looks normal, the weather is the same. Then some additional 20 shillings without even preparing Kenyans psychologically.
Between June last year or April last year to April this year, the subsidy went to a high of 169 billion Kenya shillings. That is how much we spend to subsidize petroleum prices in times of going up.
Ono uyovu hatitimole ni maweta Kwambatya kwa vei wa Mauta kuwetetwe ni utongo imuthuku.
I can clearly tell you that one of the terms of reference, the main reason why the bipartisan talks were called is to lower the cost of living. And as things are, the bipartisan talks are there, but the cost of living keeps on rising. Therefore, it will never be handled. The best thing that we should do is to do away with EPRA. Ever since EPRA was established, we've been suffering in this nation.
Niwotendi kwambata kwa vei wa Mauta kwithwa kwambatya yiulu vyu muso wa ngalama mikale ila kwao yuthiende kuvinia enenthi ingi kindu kila enenthi mekwikwatya. President William Ruto na munini wa Rigathi Gachagua maciokithia ba Kenya kuma nthi cianza mekwithwa maikinananisya kwa vakuvi na kwanzia ya uliku. Vilingi wa mauvo kumavamia koni ya mbunge musini wa Ilovi nye Nito Benjamin na Mwaka.